worked in the transmission industry for 30 years and I've seen other Defenders, and I think we build one of the best transmissions in the country, if not the world. My name's Dave. I'm in charge of the day-to-day run of the transmission department. First thing we do is obviously bring the transmission down, separate the transmission from the transfer box, totally strip it down to nuts and bolts. Goes into our hot wash. The hot wash is basically like a big washing machine. All the components get completely degreased, get washed. Obviously when the hot wash is finished, the cycle, it comes back out. We do a complete check on every component that's in the transmission, check all threads, any sign of any wear. Then it goes off for painting, then it comes back, then we do a rebuild of the transmission. The only things that are reused are the casings, the bell housing. Apart from that, every component, every gear, every bearing, every shaft, every gasket is replaced, every seal is replaced. The bits we send off to our specialist manufacturer is a 1-2 Selector Fork for our 5-speed LT85. This is re-welded and machined to the best spec. Make sure that every gear, even though it's brand new and it's come from the manufacturer, there's no signs of any little marks being from transportation to us. They are inspected fully. Probably looking about 3 days from the point of stripping it down, prepping it, waiting for obviously the cases to come back from paint. So what we then do is we go on to the next one until that one comes back. So you're looking at probably about 3 days for a transmission build. Very good success rate in this department. It is specialised and there's not many people that out there can get this product right. It is hard. I think it's attention to detail, basically. Going over that truck fully, making sure everything is as it should be. We take a lot of heart into what we do. I do believe we build the best Land Rovers in the world, without a shadow of a doubt.